Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious peanut butter Nutella. This guide will help you create a delightful spread that combines two beloved flavors. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients. You'll need creamy peanut butter, chocolate hazelnut spread, and a small amount of neutral oil to achieve the perfect consistency. It's a quick and easy recipe that yields fantastic results. Now let's get started with combining our main ingredients. First, measure out 1 full cup of your favorite creamy peanut butter and place it into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Next, add an equal amount, 1 full cup, of chocolate hazelnut spread to the same bowl. Finally, pour in about 1 to 2 tablespoons of a neutral oil, such as vegetable or coconut oil, to help achieve a smooth, spreadable texture. To achieve that wonderfully smooth and uniform texture, it's time to blend. You can use either a hand mixer or a stand mixer for this step. Begin mixing on a medium speed, allowing the peanut butter, Nutella, and oil to fully combine. Continue blending for about 2 to 3 minutes, pausing occasionally to scrape down the sides of the bowl. This ensures all ingredients are perfectly incorporated, creating a consistent and delicious spread. Once your peanut butter Nutella is perfectly blended, it's time to store it properly. Transfer the entire batch into a clean, airtight container. You can keep this delicious spread at room temperature for up to 2 weeks, ensuring it stays fresh and ready to enjoy. It's fantastic on warm toast, drizzled over fresh fruit, or even as a delightful dip for pretzels. Get ready to savor this incredible homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.